Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hi everyone, once again a warm welcome from your English teacher Mrs. Nehal Godambe from MCGM Virtual Training Center. Children, in last session we have started learning the story Little Girls Wiser Than Old People. In today's session we will learn part 2. This story is written by Leo Tolstoy. So let's begin with the story with the recap of the last part. So we have seen Akulka and Malasha went to Padli to play, and Akulka's dress was spotted by Malasha when she splashed the. When Malasha noticed it what she has done, she was frightened and seeing what trouble she had caused, jumped out of Padli. Then Akulka's mother was passing by. When she saw her daughter's dress be spattered and soiled, she asked her, Where did you? Malasha has purposely splashed it on me, Mama. Akulka's mother got angry. She grasped Malasha and gave her a knock on the nape of her neck. Then Malasha started crying. And then Malasha's mother came out running and she asked Akulka's mother, Why do you strike my daughter? She began to scold her neighbor. And the one word brought back another, and the women began to quarrel. They started quarreling, they started fighting between them. The main two ran out, and a big crowd gathered in the street. And all they were started fighting, crying, and nobody could hear his neighbor. They scolded and cursed each other. One man, Akulka's grandmother, saw this and she came out. She stepped in the midst of the people and began to talk to them. She asked them, What are you doing, dear ones? Consider the holiday. It's a holiday time. They paid no attention to the old woman and almost knocked her off her feet. But she would never. There, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to Padli. She picked up a pebble and began to scratch the ground so as to let the water off into the street because it was saturated there. So Malasha came there and she began to help her. She picked up a flat stone and widened the reel. The people were fighting among themselves. And then the girls, when they finished with their work, they ran, one from one side and the other from the other side. Look out, Malasha, look out, shouted Akulka. Malasha wanted to say something herself but could not speak for laughter, and the girls were laughing. They were enjoying. They were running here and there and laughing and bobbling up and down the reel. And there, when the old woman saw them, and she said to the people, Shame on you before God, man. You have started fighting on account of these two girls, and they have long ago forgotten it. The dear children have been playing nicely together. They are wiser than you. These two girls, they started playing with each other. They have long back forgotten what had gone wrong between them. And when Akulka's and Malasha's mother noticed it, they felt ashamed of themselves and went away quietly to their respective homes. Akulka's grandmother was very. So here comes the first word with picture, Easter. Easter is a Christian festival as we have seen in the beginning, like Christmas. Next one, pile. Pile of manure we have learned. So pile means heap. Dhig in Marathi we call. Next, be scattered, that is spotted. You can see here. चिखलाचे वगैरे डाग. Next, nape, the back of neck. Mangut in Marathi we call. And one word brought back another. So in this way, in today's session, we have learned the second part of the story and we have learned the message given by this story. So that's all for
today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.